Today's question comes from Faith in Baltimore, Maryland. Faith asks, why do I need renter's insurance if the landlord already has insurance? This question often comes up when a landlord requires a renter to have insurance. People also ask, why do I need to protect the building? Isn't that the landlord's responsibility? While the building is definitely the landlord's responsibility, it could become your responsibility, and you better have renter's insurance. Sure, your landlord already has insurance for his liability and for the building itself, but if you negligently do $20,000 of damage to your apartment from, let's say, a kitchen fire that you started while cooking, that damage is your responsibility. In many cases, the landlord has a deductible on his insurance policy that could be as high as $25,000. You can bet that your landlord will be looking at you to recover that money. Do you want that judgment following you around? Even if the damage does exceed the deductible, the landlord's insurance company will subrogate or recover the money from the party at fault. That, in case, would be you. So not only are you responsible for the deductible on the commercial policy, but the commercial carrier can come after you for anything they paid out because you're at fault. A basic renter's insurance policy with effective coverage covers $100,000 of liability for scenarios just like this. For less than $1 a day, you can have the protection you need in the event you damage the building. And it's not just the landlord that you could be liable to. Renter's insurance liability also protects you from being sued by other people you injure. Let's say in that same fire a neighbor goes to the hospital from smoke inhalation. He's going to want you to pay for his medical bills. Either you can shell out the 10s or 20 grand for a short emergency room visit, or renter's insurance can. Which one sounds like a better option to you? And one more thing. Your landlord is not responsible for your personal property in that fire. So not only would you have to pay for the damage to the building and the medical bills for the neighbor, you would have to replace all of your personal property. Renter's insurance protects you from this risk and protects your wallet and your assets as well. Contact Effective Coverage for Renters and find out how inexpensive it can be to protect yourself, or click above for an instant online renter's insurance quote. Thank you for watching Effective Coverage for Renters.